Hi my people, this is today's at evening. This is county 0020. This is county 020, county 020, known as county of Kirinyaga. This is all about rice plantation. This is the plantation of rice which is done in county 020, which is county 020, known as county of Kirinyaga. This is the tea. This is the rice plantation. Sorry, my people. This is rice plantation where we get pure pishuri. If you want a pure pishuri, you can only get it in Kirinyaga County, where it is based on Moya, known as county 020. That is county 20, county number 20, county of Kirinyaga. As you can see, this is the tea plantation. This is the tea in it. This is the rice. This is the rice plantation. This is the rice. As you can see it. As you can see it very well. Hii ni mchere yenye tunakulanga, mchere ya pishori. You can take all types of varieties. You can have all type of variety. Kuna pishori, kuna bii, kuna Pakistani, but the best of it all, it's this one, pishori. As you can see, hii iko kwa shamba, iko karibu kukomaa, ikauke, itolewe. Hii unaona hivi iko karibu kukomaa, ikauke, itolewe, ndio iuzwe. As you can see it. As you can see it. As you can see it. As you... This is county 020, county 020, known as Kirinyaga County. This is Kirinyaga County, county 020. This is the view of county 020, known as Kirinyaga County. This is Kirinyaga County. As you can see, this is rice. This is what we call rice. Na huku ndio tunatoanga mchele sana. Ukitaka mchere pure pishuri, pure pishuri, iko county 020. This is Kirinyaga County. This is the rice plantation. Hii iko kwa shamba, iko karibu kukomaa, ndio itolewe, ipigwe, ianikwe, ndio uone vile iko. Kuna varieties mob za hii mchere. Kuna yenye tunaita bii mchere. Kuna rice ingine tunaitanga Pakistan. Kuna rice ingine tunaita pishori. Now the good thing and best thing of it all ni hii yenye inaitwa pure pishori. If you want to trust us and you want to trust a pure pishori rice that is being imported from our country, is this pure pishori. Kama hii pure one. As you can see the view. See the view. See the view of it all. See the view of it all, my people. See the view of it all. This is county 020. This is Kirinyaga County. See the view of the rice. The view of the rice. This is the view of rice. This is the view of rice. The beauty of it all, the beauty of Kirinyaga County, and especially Moya, the part that we are calling Moya, is this beauty of this rice. The smell is awesome. The place is awesome. The place is good. As you can see how it looks like. Hii ni mchere. Hata ukiangalia vizuri sana. Iko very, very good. Looking very well. This is the rice that we are talking about. This is the rice. See the view of the rice. See the view. This is the view of the rice. See the view. See the view. See the view. See the view of the rice. See the view. The view of rice. The view. This is the view of rice. The view. As you can see it. This is the rice. See the view. May people see. See the view of rice. This is the view. As you can see it. The rice. Wow. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. It looks so beautiful. It's awesome. Really giving. The place is giving. The place is giving. It's really giving. I like the place. First of all, I like their plantation of rice. Huku ni Mwea, as you can see. Check the view. The view of it all, as you can see it. All of it is rice. The view of rice. This is the view of rice. Good. The view. As you can see it. This is the view of rice plantation in Mwea. If you want pure pishuri, ama pishuri yenye inakuanga important from our country, this is now the rice. Ndio hii. Na hapa ndio niko na iko county 020, also known as Kirinyaga County. This is where you can get this rice. Huku ndiko unaweza pata hii mchere. Iko kwa hii county ya Kirinyaga na ndio watu wanapenda the pure pishuri that is not mixed up. Ni ile pure pishuri. The best of it all, we have this one. Check. Hii ni yenye imekoma. Hii ni yenye imekoma inangojea ikauke ndio ikatwe. Hii imekoma inangojea ikauke ikatwe. This is the rice yenye imekoma. Here, as you can see it. Pure pishuri, pure. See the view. The view of the place, the view of the scene, the view of the area. Hii iko karibu kukatwa. Hii ikikatwa, ikikomaa, this is now the rice yenye iko karibu kukomaa. Hii ndio iko the best. Hii ndio iko karibu. Hii ndio yenye iko karibu kukomaa. Hii ndio iko karibu kukomaa. Hii ndio iko karibu kukomaa. Hii ndio iko karibu kukomaa.